The Denver, Rio Grande, and Western K37 class is the last in a series of narrow-gauge engines that pulled freight and passenger trains alike through the scenic hills of Colorado. As some of the last steam engines in revenue service in America, most of the class has been preserved, with some engines recently being converted to run on oil for more decades of service. However, this technically wasn't the first conversion the K37 class saw, as all 10 K37s were converted from members of the standard gauge C41 class in 1928. This marks one of the only times in history that a standard gauge engine was converted to run on narrow gauge, since it was cheaper to convert an existing Baldwin steam engine in-house at the Rio Grande Burnham shops than to build new narrow gauge steam engines from scratch like the K36 predecessors. Even though the K37s would gain much more fame than the original C41s, this train fact goes to show that even some of the most iconic narrow gauge locomotives can have some of the most unusual origins.